We've done the transitions from the 5-month sideline up into the 7-month side set before, and this is an iteration of it that I've been playing around with, and I call it a pirate ship drill. It's like the carnival ride where the pirate ship comes this way, and then it comes back over this way, and then it comes back up a little bit higher, and back up a little bit higher, and back up all the way, and back up all the way. And at each point where it turns around, it kind of pauses momentarily before coming back the other direction. And it's this usage of momentum and maintaining like nice centrated joint positions that we do from here. So she's going to be the pirate ship, okay? And she's going to get just like a little rock, and she's going to rock over, and she's going to rock over. And she's going to rock a little bit further, and rock a little bit further. Do that height a few times, good, and back to the elbow, good. As she comes over this way, if you're playing with this, you'll feel a point where your belly wants to kind of separate. That's where you've gone a little too far. You want to resist that separation and go to that elbow support. And now she's going to come up a little bit higher and start to leave the mat just a little bit. Before starting to work up a little bit higher and pause. Good, and come back. She's going to reach up and pause. She's going to come over, look up a little bit higher. Good. Good, and then we'll take it up towards the full version where she comes all the way up before rolling all the way back down. And it's this usage, this control of momentum that helps you to kind of learn the position. And it's a fun, engaging way to play with the drill. Okay? So give that a whirl.